I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and access. Check the lock battery percentage and swap cells, now if under 20% so you don't interrupt setup. Next, make sure the door and strike are aligned so the latch moves smoothly. Misalignment causes failed locks. Open the companion app and ensure Bluetooth or Wi-Fi is on. Have your backup PIN or physical key in hand so you can complete steps without delay. Once done, proceed to pairing. Place the lock into pairing mode by following the manufacturer's press and hold sequence, typically 5 to 10 seconds, and watch the LED or hear the chime so you know it's ready. Then, follow the app prompts to name the lock, set an auto-lock delay, and enable remote access or guest codes if you require them. This ensures expected behavior. After configuration, test lock and unlock from the app and keypad to verify connectivity and timing. If it responds, move to final sealing steps. Finish by performing 5 full lock/unlock cycles to confirm the mechanism, timing, and app state are consistent. This catches intermittent issues. Make sure firmware is up to date, store backup PINs securely, and enable multi-factor authentication on the account to prevent unauthorized changes. If something goes wrong, like slow response or failed cycles, first swap or fully charge batteries, check Wi-Fi or Bluetooth range, rerun the lock calibration, and review error codes in the app. That single troubleshooting step resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.